Hi guys, it's Mifu and today I'm going to teach you how to make this Gudetama, and I'm going to teach you how to make him using a sock, technically two socks because I'm going to use a white sock and a yellow sock. So here is the white sock and here is the yellow sock. Now these are fluffy, but they don't have to be fluffy socks. They can be another type of socks, such as this sock. Yeah, but the top part is just made out of a white fluffy sock. Like I was saying, you don't have to make it fluffy. It's just, yeah, my parents bought me it, and I think that they're great for this stuff, but they do fail a lot, so yeah. You'll also need a pen, some scissors, and thread, and you'll need a bunch of other sewing stuff, like needles. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so you want to start off by putting your heel of the yellow or orange sock onto the white sock, and then with your pen trace it about half the size of the top part to the heel. So then when you stick the egg shell onto the egg yolk, it's the right portion. So, and once you've done that, you want to grab your needle and sew along this line, and it doesn't really matter what stitch you use. Like, you could use a running stitch if you really wanted to, but I think that it would be best if you used a sewing machine or probably back stitch. And so I'm just gonna do that, and I'll tell you what the next step is after that. Yep. Okay, so just before I start sewing, I highly recommend that you do not use a different color to the sock that you're using, because it is more likely to show up when you flip it inside out. So yeah, I'm just using yellow because it was it's going to match this yellow, or well, it's a different color, but that doesn't matter. And yeah, just thought I'd let you know to make sure it's the right color. Okay, so once you finish sewing that, you want to cut a little bit away from where you've sewn so that none of the string unravels. So once you do that, then you want to make jagged sort of lines on here, and I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, so this is what it's supposed to look like. It's probably going to look better than this, and once you've done that, you want to flip it inside out so then it looks something like this. And if you really want, you can put it on top of the part where your toes go on here to see what it'll probably look like. And once that's done, we'll actually get onto making the Gudetama's body. So just put that eggshell aside and let's start doing the Gudetama. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is grab your pointer finger and see where I drew a pink line on my wrinkle thing. You want to line that line up with the heel tip and then trace around that pointer finger and do the exact same thing on the other side. And then once you've done that, you want to sewing machine or back stitch your way along these lines, making sure not to go over. You want to end it here, so there's going to be 2 parts of stitching. And then after that, I'll show you what to do. So once you've sewn the legs, you want to cut a little bit away from the stitching once again and around the heel and then back under there. And then I'll tell you what to do after that. Okay, so once you have done that, you want to flip it inside out and then stuff it, stuffing the legs first before the rest of the body. And okay, so once you've done that, I kind of just put the eggshell on to make sure everything's looking alright. You want to ladder stitch the bottom and remember to push the raw edge in. Okay, I'm just gonna do that, and then after that I'm going to hot glue the eggshell on, but of course you can sew it on if you have the time and patience, unlike me. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and do that now. Okay, so once you finish doing that, you want to grab some scrap of that material and trace your finger with the line on again, and with pen, and then sew it and then cut around it and then stuff it, and then I'll show you what to do after that. Okay, so once you finish the 2 little arm things, you want to hot glue or sew them on to the body. And that's all, and I'll show you what the final thing should look like. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like in the end. It's a Gudetama with an eggshell over his head, and here is the other one. If you want to know how to make the butt, seeing as I've run out of time, all you have to do is stick the needle in, pull it out the other side, and then do that a couple of times, and then tug, and then tie a knot, and then you'll have a bum. And that's all. So tell me, do you guys think that he looks like the other one? If you do, comment down below. And thanks for watching Mifu Bear. Bye!